Bakit parang mas interesado pa si Senator Ping Lacson sa pagbagsak ng isang testigo kesa sa mapanagot ang mga may kinalaman sa maanumalyang flood control projects? Here's a man, Orly Guteza, with nothing to gain and everything to lose when he faced the Senate. Under oath, he told his story and exposed names like Zaldico and Martin Romualdez. But instead of focusing on what Guteza revealed, Senator Lacson seems obsessed with destroying Guteza's credibility. Lacson is focusing more on affidavits and signatures as if those matter more than the billions that were stolen from the people. This act from Lacson feels like he's protecting someone. It feels like he's not really out there to expose the truth behind the anomalies. Kung tunay kang lumalaban sa katiwalian, Senator Lacson, bakit testigo ang tinatarget mo? Pinoprotektahan mo ba ang mga buwayang nasa posisyon? Nakakadismaya.